What's up, guys? Brian Peacock back once again. Epic Outdoor Adventures. Gonna show you aphids. Let's talk about aphids. Let me see if I can get them in. Yeah, buddy. Let me see here. Hard to get them focused. Let's go down here real fast. There we go. All right. These red guys on the bottom here are aphids. These are on my tomato plant. They're not bad. It's not a huge infestation. We get these aphids every year in May, early June. They last about a month and a half. Then they'll be gone for the year usually. These are very easy to take care of. I just smash them with my fingers. They're very soft-bodied bugs. I just take my thumb and I just smash them like that. And then go look under all of your leaves and on the stems. There's one right there on the stem. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's right here. I just smash it. There's also green ones and black ones and white ones. Different colored ones. Green ones are a little harder to see, but aphids are soft-bodied bugs. They'll stay underneath the leaves, and they are sap suckers. Basically, they suck the nutrients out of the leaves of your plants. They'll leave little holes and little dots and little yellow spots in your leaves and stuff like that. So that's a way to know that you have them if you don't check your plants, bro. There's not a lot of them on this plant. There's just a few here and there. A couple over on the other one as well. Aphids tend to leave real healthy plants alone. So if you have really healthy plants from the start, they tend to be a little more pest-free naturally. And aphids will get on things. It's just what they do. So how do you get aphids? Well, aphids are brought up here by the ants. Ants will bring aphids up. Ants mine aphids. So they'll bring aphids up, stick them on your plant. The aphids will eat your plant, and it will poop out sugar. And then the ants eat the aphids' poop, which is sugar. So ants like sugar. They don't like your plants. Ants will not hurt your plants. And the ants are good pollinators, but aphids do mine aphids and other sap-sucking bugs too. So yeah, so that's just the aphids. You can also squirt these off with a hose under pressure. You can also use a insecticidal soap. You can make your own by using a couple drops of like olive oil, vegetable oil, water, and a little bit of Dawn dish detergent. A couple drops of that into a spray bottle. You can spray. I would always suggest to check an area first before doing the whole entire plant, because you could kill your plant if you use too much soap and too much oil. All right, so just a couple drops of that. Oil is a binder to keep it all together. And what it does, it just smothers them. It just kills them, and they can't breathe because they're a soft-bodied creature. Also, ladybugs love to eat aphids. You can buy ladybugs online, let them go in your garden. I'm not a huge, big believer of buying ladybugs because I believe they're just going to fly away. But I guess if you have a huge infestation of aphids, the ladybugs will stay to eat. But ladybugs do come naturally as well. But, aphids don't care about what plant it is. They'll be on cucumbers, they'll be on tomatoes, they'll be on peppers, beans. It doesn't really matter. So, yep, just a little bit about aphids. It's not a huge deal, pretty easy to get rid of. And they don't last all season, at least here they don't, in Western North Carolina. So, appreciate it, guys. Check out some more videos later. Appreciate you watching. See ya.